Have you ever wondered if your diet is the right one for you and your goals? This question is far more significant than it may initially seem. In the world of health and wellness, it's essential to understand that there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to diet. Yes, you heard it right. The food you consume shouldn't merely be about counting calories or following the latest trends, but rather it should be about nourishing your unique body type and supporting your specific goals. Just imagine, a diet tailored to your body could potentially lead to improved health, increased energy levels, and an overall sense of well-being. It could help you to manage your weight effectively and even reduce the risk of certain health conditions. This is precisely why choosing the right diet is so crucial. So don't just eat right. Because when it comes to dieting, one size doesn't fit all. So how do you choose the right diet for your body and goals? It all starts with identifying your individual dietary needs and goals. These needs can be influenced by a variety of factors including your age, gender, body type, activity level, and health conditions. For instance, a highly active 20-year-old male may require a different diet than a sedentary 50-year-old female. Next, consider your goals. Are you aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, improved performance, or perhaps better health? These goals will shape the type of diet that works best for you. If muscle gain is your aim, a diet rich in proteins may be the way to go. On the other hand, if you're striving for better overall health, a balanced diet with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins might be more suitable. Remember, your diet should be tailored to your needs and goals, not the other way around. Once you've identified your dietary needs and goals, it's time to do some research. It's crucial to understand the different diets out there and their potential benefits and downsides. You've probably heard of popular diets like the keto, vegan, paleo, Mediterranean, and intermittent fasting. Each of these diets has unique characteristics and can serve different purposes. For instance, the keto diet is low in carbs and high in fats, promoting weight loss and improved brain function. On the other hand, the Mediterranean diet focuses on heart health with an emphasis on fish, fruits, and whole grains. It's vital to comprehend the science behind these diets rather than blindly following trends. Researching and understanding these diets will enable you to make an informed decision that suits your body and goals. Remember, nutrition isn't one size fits all. What works for one person may not work for another. Be informed, not influenced. Finally, consider consulting a nutritionist or dietitian. These professionals bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table, and their expertise can be invaluable when it comes to tailoring a diet to your specific needs and objectives. They can help you sift through the plethora of diet information out there, separating the wheat from the chaff, so to speak. They'll work with you to create a personalized eating plan that not only aligns with your goals, whether that's weight loss, muscle gain, or maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but also takes into account your likes, dislikes, allergies, and any specific health conditions you might have. Moreover, they can monitor your progress, making necessary adjustments to keep you on the right track. This ongoing support can be crucial in overcoming challenges, staying motivated, and ensuring you're getting the right nutrients in the right amounts. Because a little professional advice can go a long way in achieving your dietary goals.